Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to clear this space on MacBook in just a few steps. Okay, so let's get started. So what we're gonna do guys, if we go to our settings, okay, let's see how much storage that we have left. Okay, it says that we only have now 78 gigabyte in our storage, and of course like we wanted to, you know wanted to clear some, files, delete some files. We wanted to increase our our storage. But in order to do that guys, we just have to go to our application and just have to search this one guys. Okay, so library slash ashes. Okay, so let's, okay, you just have two tabs. Okay, so this one guys, these are the, you know the files that might not be important anymore, but you need to be cautious, okay, of deleting some files because it might be important. Okay, it might part of the system on MacBook. Okay, so you can also delete some, application, of course, and the documents that you've downloaded also on desktop, and of course the files that you've saved for a while and you don't need them anymore. Okay, so you can also empty your trash guys. So if you have some files here, you can empty these files. Okay, so that's it guys. So that's how are you going to clear this space on MacBook in just a few steps. So I hope you enjoy and learn from these quick tutorials, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials on MacBook. Thank you.